Hello and welcome to O Business Consultants. Today we are going to discuss the barber shop financial model. This is the table of content and here are the mentioned sheets which have been added inside this model. This is a 5-year forecasting model and the first sheet is the assumption sheet. Let's move to the funding assumption. At top we have three type of funding assumptions. We can easily edit and enter any of the data inside the peach cells and it will change the chart working. For example, let's make it 20,000 and you see how the funding has changed and this is the funding summary. It has also been updated. Alright, so further we have the revenue and cost assumptions where we have clients, price, sales and then we have the cost, major labor and material cost. Further, we have the price and uh, customer growth assumptions for the services which are being provided. After that, we have the capital expenditure assumptions where all the fixed assets have been added, and then we have the OPEX assumption as well, where all the monthly expenses have been added. Further, we have the employee compensation assumption as well, where all the staff and team members' salaries have been added and their designated departments. Moving forward, we have other assumptions as well. So, revenue analysis. This is the sheet where all the revenue has been completed and calculated for 5 years. As you can see, we have the sale estimate, revenue estimate, and then we have cost estimate. And as we slide to the left, we can see the working on monthly basis. Now let's move to the financial statements. We have three type of financial statements: income statement, then we have cash flow statement, and at the end we have the statement of financial position, also known as balance sheet. The calculations have been made as per the assumptions we have entered inside the assumption sheet. Then we have financial analysis where we have break-even analysis at the top. Then we have company valuation, WACC. Further, we have free cash flow discount rate, NPV, IRR, and after that we have sensitivity analysis where we have an actual case, optimistic case, and a pessimistic case. Alright, after that we have financial ratios and other KPIs. Now moving towards the investment summary, as you can see, we have the summary for the required funds and the available funds. As you can see, this is the where the cash status would be shown. Like for example, when the cash is surplus and where the cash is deficit. Now let's move to the next sheet which is company summary. In this sheet, as we can see, we have the summary of sales, revenue, cost, income, and then we have investment breakdown as well. Finally, we have the dashboard. As you can see, we have the GP margin, EBITDA margin, and net profit margin. Then we have revenue versus cost, revenue versus OPEX, break even versus revenue. Then we have departmental expense breakdown, and then we have monthly profitability analysis. The last sheet is the supporting schedule sheet. Here all the calculations have been done from the input data and then this data has been shifted inside the financial statements, financial analysis, company summary, etc. So this is where the working and all the calculation has been done in detail. So this was it from our side. If you want more details, you can visit our website. Thank you.